So, CapCut is the holy grail video editing tool for beginners and even moderate video editors. Sadly, it's permanently banned in India, but you can still install and use CapCut in India on both Android and iOS. I'll show you how to do just that. First, let me show you how to use CapCut in India on an Android, and I'm using the Z Fold 7 for the demonstration. So first, you have to install the CapCut APK. Just go to any browser and search for CapCut APK Mirror. Tap on the first link. Now scroll down and under All Version, select the latest version. Again, scroll down to the Download section and select the CapCut APK, not the bundle. You'll see under the variants, some files are marked as bundle and some as APK. So just tap on the APK file, download it and install it. Now, if you're unsure about the APK Mirror website, then you can download the CapCut APK from somewhere else and it'll work the same way. Just make sure you're downloading from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Now, go to the Play Store and install a good VPN on your Android phone. I'm using the Super VPN Pro. Open the VPN and select another country. When the connection is established, then launch the CapCut app and now you can start using it. See here, I'm accessing all the CapCut elements like text templates, sound effects, and transitions. Just make sure that whenever you launch the CapCut app, the VPN is already connected. And when you're done using CapCut, turn off the VPN. Otherwise, your internet speed will be slowed drastically. So, the process to use CapCut on Android is very easy. But the method for iPhone is a bit different. I'm using the iPhone 17 Pro Max for the demo, which is on iOS 26. First thing that you need to do is open the App Store, tap on your profile and open your account. Now, select the country and region and set it to another country. I'm selecting the United States. Now, go back to the App Store home screen and just normally search for CapCut and you'll see the app there. Install it and also install a good VPN service. Launch the VPN, connect it to another country, launch the CapCut, and that's it. Just remember to turn on VPN whenever you're launching CapCut and turn it off after using it. And that's how you can use CapCut in India on both Android and iPhone. If this video helped you, drop a like and let me know in the comments if it worked on your device. And for more useful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.